In the name of Allah, who's the most kind and the most merciful, this is Rajasthan University Computer Science Faculty, English Language Program, Unit 22, Lesson 22, Multimedia. Uh, this subject which you study is infotech English Language, which is Professional English 2. Lecturer, and this is Ali Muhammad Hikmat is with you. In this unit we will talk about these topics, and we have to discuss these topics, and we will discuss these topics. Okay. Multimedia technology and applications. Technologies and applications, we will talk about that. Learning objectives, what should we learn from this unit? To understand the main component and application of multimedia system, to acquire a specific vocabulary related to multimedia software, to use condition sentence correctly. In language section we have grammar, vocabulary, and in grammar we have first and second conditional sentences if clauses. Okay. And vocabulary: multimedia, hypertext, hypermedia, interactive, interactivity, sound card, MIDI, digital audio, workstation, DAW, electronic encyclopedia, streaming, webcast, CD repa, plug-in, animation, video computing, and video editing. These are the vocabularies that we will learn from this unit. Skills. In listening section we have completing a diagram with information from a conversation in a computer shop. You listen to the audio script and then complete a diagram. Speaking, discussing the application of multimedia. In reading section we have matching heading to paragraph in a text about multimedia, finding specific information in the text and correcting technical mistakes. In writing section we have writing a post for a blog summarizing the presentation and future of multimedia. Let's start our lesson. Unit 22, multimedia. Multimedia, forms of multiple forms of media. This is the first task, and we should discuss the questions. What different type of content are combined in multimedia applications? How many? Here we have two questions. The first one: what different type of content are combined in multimedia application? This is the answer key. Multimedia applications can combine text, high quality sound, graphics, photo image, animation, and full motion video. How many products can you think of that incorporate multimedia? Make a list. You can make a list like this: ebook, encyclopedia, dictionaries, CD-ROMs, DVDs, slide presentation, computer games, web pages, movie, 3G mobile phone, virtual reality system, information kiosk, computer, best training courses. These are the you can list like this. Component and system requirement. This is the second task. In here we have listening. You can click here and listen to the audio clip, and listen to a sales assistant in computer shop explaining to a customer the system requirement needed to run multimedia software. Which answer, A or B? A or B best describe what she says? Here is A and B. You can choose one. Please listen very carefully. If At first you should do it by yourself. If you can't, here is the answer key. Okay. Once again, listen to the audio clip once again, and here you can click and listen to the audio script or the audio clip, and complete this diagram on multiple systems. For example, CPU and a lot of RAM, fast CPU and a lot of RAM. Okay, you can do it by yourself. Here's the answer key, and let's do it reading. Multimedia magic. Task number 3 is multimedia magic. Read the text and match the heading 1 up to 4 with the gaps at the start of each paragraph. Sound, music, product, folk. These are the headings. And let's start with reading. Please listen very carefully and write the difficult words, and then check your dictionary. Multimedia application or multimedia magic. This is the title. Multimedia application are used in all sorts of fields. For example, museum, bank, and estate agents often have information kiosks that use multimedia. Companies produce training programs on optical disc. Business people use Microsoft PowerPoint to create slideshow, and teachers use multimedia to make video project or to teach subjects like art and music. They have all found that moving image and sound can involve viewer emotionally and as well as inform them, helping make their message more memorable. The power of multimedia software resides in hypertext, hypermedia, and interactive. What is the power of multimedia? Hypertext, hypermedia, and interactive, meaning that the user is involving in the program. If you click on a hypertext link, you can jump to another screen with more information about a particular subject. Hypermedia is similar, but also uses graphic, audio, and video and hypertext element. Okay, let's go to the next part of the reading. As long as your computer has a sound card, you can use it to capture sound in digital format and play them back. Sound cards offer two important capabilities: a built-in stereo synthesizers or synthesizer, and a system called MID. MID stands for Musical Instrument Digital Interface, which allows electronic music instruments to communicate with computers. A digital audio workstation, DAW, digital audio workstation, lets you mix and record several tracks of digital audio. You can also listen to music on your PC or transfer it to a portable MP3 player. MP3 player is short form of MPEG audio player 3, a standard form that compresses audio files If you want to create your own MP3 files from CDs, you must have a CD ripper, a program. What is CD ripper? A program that extracts music tracks and save them on disk as MP3s. Audio is becoming a key element of a web. Many radio station broadcast live over the internet using streaming audio technology, which lets you listen to audio in continuous stream while it is being transmitted. The broadcast of an event over the web, for example, a concert, is called a webcast. Be aware that you won't be able to play audio and video on the web unless you have a plug-in like Real Player or QuickTimer. Okay, and the rest of the reading. Video is another important part of multimedia. Video computing refers to recording, manipulating, and storing video in digital format. If you wanted to make a movie on your computers, first you would need a capture image with a digital video camera and then transfer them to your computer. Next, you would need a video editing program like iMovie to cut your favorite segment, resequence the clip, and add transition and other effects. Finally, you could save your movie on a DVD or post it in a website like YouTube and Google Video. Multimedia is used to produce dictionaries, encyclopedias. They often come on DVDs, but some are also available on the web. A good example is the Grolier Online Encyclopedia, which contains thousands of articles, animation, sound, dynamic maps, and hyperlinks. Similarly, the Encyclopedia Britannica is now available online, and a concise version is available for iPad, PDAs, and mobile phones. Education courses on history, science, and foreign language are also available on DVD. Finally, if you like entertainment, you will love the latest media video game with surround sound, music, soundtracks, and even film extract. Okay, here is the answer key for this. Let's go ahead. Please notice the difficult vocabularies and check your dictionary. Okay, part number B, correct the technical mistake in these sentences. I corrected. You can check and do it yourself, and also please do it with here as well with yourself. Here is the answer key. Okay, and here we have language word condition. Look at the help box. At first we must read the help box. What is the condition sentence? Here is the definition. We use condition sentence to express that the action in a main clause can only take place if a certain condition is fulfilled. See below, for example, they are introduced by if, unless, and as long as. Unless means if not, and as long as means provided or providing that. You won't be able to play audio and video on web unless you have a plug in, like real player and quick timer. If you don't have, it means that if you don't have a plug in. There are two type of conditional sentence. The first condition for real or possible situation, for example, if A happens, B will happen. Present simple, this is the well and future, well in positive and or in negative verbs. If you like entertainment, you will love the latest multimedia video games. In the main clause, you can also have a model, for example, can or must, or an imperative. If you want to create your own MP3 files from your CDs, you must have a CD wrapper. Here, here we have. Sorry. Here we have mm, must and auxiliary. Must have a CD wrapper. This is the main clause, this is the if clause. Okay. The second condition for more hypothetical situation. Hypothetical situation. If A happen, B would happen. It means that maybe it will happen or may not it will happen. For example, if you wanted, it is in the past, if you wanted to make a movie on your computer first, you would or you'd need to have a camera, a digital camera. You would, it is past. In the main clause, we can also use another model's example, could, should, might, depend on the meaning. If the verb be appears in the if clause, we often use were instead of was, even if a pronoun is he or she or I, he, she, or it. If I were you, I'd get a new MP3 player. Here we don't use I was. If I were, okay. Another part for that is, please do it with yourself here. Fill in the blanks. Bring don't have. Here is the answer key for that, and it might help you. Okay. In pair, discuss this question. Use the second condition. Here is one example is done, and the rest you can do it. You had a digital video camera. If you had a digital video camera, if I had a digital video camera, what will happen? Okay, I'd record a movie. Okay, do it with yourself. And here, application of multimedia task number 5. Match the description 1 up to 5 with the picture 1 up to A up to E. Here is the answer key. Please do it yourself. Okay, and discuss how multimedia is used in the situation above, and then present your idea to the rest of the class. Look at the useful language box to help you. You can use this language box in your daily conversation. And finally, we have a writing section here. A friend who write a blog has asked you to contribute a post about the use of multimedia, how and in the future, now and in the future, write a post 8 to 120 words summarizing what multimedia is, what it can do. Please answer these questions: what multimedia is, what it can do, and your prediction for what it might be able to do in future. Try to use at least 2 conditional sentences. This is the homework of this unit. And finally, thanks from your attention. I wish you best of luck and have a good time. Please do the homework. Thanks from your attention. Okay. Please do your homework. Write a post in a web log. It to how many words? 128, 80 to 120 words. Okay. Wish you best of luck. Have a good time.